Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this time, I want to present about my portfolio. This portfolio is about student work and achievements, but it's not about just students work and achievement. It's about my progress at ADN and my project at ADN. Okay, we go to next slide. It's about me, and this time is I will introduce myself. Is about my name is Musa, and I was born from Gunung Putri, 3 May and 2007. I'm a student from SMP ADN boarding school, and in this I need some education that I have to learn in elementary school and junior high school, and this I have some my skill and I need some design skill Android and UI UX and IoT. Okay, it's about my CV. In this CV, it's have my contact, about my number phone and my Gmail and my Instagram, and in this have some my skills and my education that I have to and have some experience like address and leadership. Okay, first the project that I want to show to you guys is a portfolio game. In this portfolio games have just one show 5 games. I think it's the best one when I want to show to you guys. Okay, first game project is catching fruit. Okay, catching fruit is that I have made with plot scratch platform. Uh, this game is easy to play. How to play this game? It's just use as A or D, keyboard or left or right button, and you must move the ball and you must catch the apples. Don't catch anything items. Expect the fruit. Yeah, because the game is the name is catching fruit, so you must catch some fruit in this game. Okay, next. Okay, the second project that I was also is a quiz game. So it's quiz game that I have made in with a scratch platform. It's a easy way to play this game. It's like when you play the game, like it's some any Tyrannosaurus asks you and you must just answer the question, all question, and when you want to win this game, you must answer all questions, and then you can win in this game. Okay, nice. Okay. The last is scratch, so we're gonna go to whale box. So in this game it's a pirate skeleton. Pirate skeleton. I have made this game in whale box. It's a 2D games like scratch 2D games, but in whale box the difference is you can make 2D and 3D games. So, but I will show you about the 2D games first. So in this game, I have made a glove box and how to play this game. It's so easy. You just keep running and jump when you have met with some bomb, and you must collect some more coins. And when you have find some treasure and you collect the treasure, you can win in this game when you want to collect the treasure. And don't touch the bomb when you don't want to lose. Okay, we go to fourth project. It's about a running ball. It's I have made in 12 box. It's different, like not last project that I show you. It's 3D games with build box. So how to play this game? It's very easy. You just using your A and D or left and right button. You must don't touch the obstacle, because when you touch the obstacle you can lose. When you want to win, you must touch the finish line and collect more coin. Next. Okay, the last project is I want to show you. It's a ninja parkour. I have made in this case. I have made this game from scratch, and how to play this game is so easy. You must this game it's so many stage that you must have arrive to the last stage, and this in first stage it's not easy to play it. It's so many obstacles that you must uh, arrive to the finish until last stage. Okay. Okay, here we gonna go to portfolio web. So in this portfolio, I just wanna show you three web. There is personal web, mosque web, and school web. Okay, first it's a personal web. So in this personal web, I have made in a 00 web house. Um, in this website is that I just show about my story and my project and my progress at IDN from 7th grade until 9th grade. Okay, so you wanna go to the next slide. Okay, in this mosque web that I have same in a 00 web house, and this website it's yes, it can show some scheduled pray, some schedules kajian and zakat and anything like Muslim thing in this mosque web, and yeah, in this mosque web it's just like you want to look some information about this mosque. Okay. Oh, you gotta go to the next slide. It's about school web. So in this school web, it's I have made still same in 00 house, and this school web is you can register in this school web, or you can pay some school fee, or you can look at some information and about the extracurricular about this school. Okay, we're gonna go to the multimedia portfolio. In this multimedia portfolio, I have made 5 slides that I have made so many like a poster, manipulation, and UX, anything in this multimedia. So, okay, we will go to the first. It's about the UI UX that I have made in Figma. So the purpose that I have made to this UX, it's food UI, the food app. Yeah, for like it sounds like Gojek. It's just delivery some food or some drink for you want to uh, deliver some food. Okay, we go to the next. It's a poster. It is any some poster that I have made in Adobe Illustrator. It's just like I look at tutorial on YouTube, and the purpose that I have to make this project is for a dakwah. Okay, okay. The third is manipulations. So manipulations that I have made in Photoshop. It's so in this Photoshop I just actually I'm not to pro in Photoshop. I just look at some tutorial in YouTube. So the purpose that I have made in this is just I want to learn about Photoshop and show about my skills. Okay, in multimedia, it's any microblog that I have made in Figma. So in this microblog, it's just still same. It's like a poster, but it's just the different a microblog just showing some there is six slide in here microblog and showing some dakwah. It's about some about Islam. Okay, the last it's a multimedia it's a poster dakwah. It's for it seems like the first that I have made, but the difference is I just made in Figma, and the purpose I have made it still like same. It's done. Okay, it's we have arrived to portfolio Android. So in this Android, have made 5 slides that I will show you. It's about Goodler and Android Studio. Okay, first I will show you it's a beta web. So beta web it's I have made in Android Studio, and the purpose that I want to make this application is for make easy to Muslim people, like is when he's wanna look some scheduled prayer, or he's wanna look some he's have to get zakat, or he can pay zakat now or not. And yeah, it's so many like some inspirations, poster, motivations, and so many any the prayer and zikir in this Bitap app too. Okay, next it's speech to text that I have made in Codular. So this speech to text, it's when you use this application, use like it's and you talk with your phone, and then your song will compress to be some text, and then the text can you copy or you delete. Yeah, just that for the purpose of this application. Okay, for the next is my age. It's like I have made in this it is in Codular, and this app can guess your age. Like when you put your um, date and your like I put my date, it's 3 May 2007, and then it will be appear like what's your age, house day, and what hour. Okay, next it's card name app. It's I have made in Colorado too, but the difference it's just card name app. It's like some card that show about your information, like your status and your how is project, what is your how is your birthday, and like some achievement that you have. Okay, the next is calculator app. Calculator that I have made in Goodler. So in this calculator app, it's like calculator normal, but it's have some like cube or and so many purpose that I to make this calculator app. It's like to more easy to student that like the I don't know the how to calculate this cube or anything. Yeah, for that. Okay, we're gonna go to portfolio robotic. In this portfolio robotic, I have made 5 slides that's about IoT, microbit, and Arduino. So we're gonna go to vending machine that I have made in microbit.org. This for like some vending machines normal. It can get out some food or candy when you get in some coin there. Okay, we're gonna go to tiny bit. Tiny bit, it's I have made from microbit.org, and this project tiny bit, it's like it's you have a car, and then the car you must control with some remote controller. Yeah, it's just like some a toy with your remote control. Yeah, it's just like a car. Okay, liner follower. Line follower, it's our air fire. It's like just following some liner. Yeah, it's just use some sensor liner. And I have made this project with a microbit already. Okay, it's flood detection. It's flood detection. It's I have made still in a microbit or LG2. This project it's about when some water and the sensor water it's you get it in water and it can read some float detections. Yeah, when the microbit it's detect the some float things in some area, it can read when we use some like website like ThinkSpeak or anything else. Okay, the last is a greenhouse. A greenhouse is I make this in Arduino with components with Arduino, and when you want to connect the greenhouse with sensor like it's UV, and it's you must use somewhere when you want to look at the information that the greenhouse it's still work or not. Okay, we have go to English project. So in this English project, I have four project that I want to show to you, and one it's about the mini contest. Okay, first is about a podcast with Abdurrahman Ilyas that I have uploaded in my YouTube. It's about the dangers of shirk. So the purpose that I make this project is still people in out there it's do some shirk thing. Okay, in the second project it's I make some tutorial about how to make card name app. It's just simple apps like that I already shared to you. It's just some card name app like show about information about you. Okay, the third project it's about project plan in the future. It's like podcast that I have made with Fatih Zakiha, and this project it's like just I and Fatih is talk about my future, like how about where do you want to go to after this, after a junior high school, and when you want to go school at AEN again or at Canada. Okay, final project in English. It's I have made some interview describing country, and favorite project. It's a three project and it's made to be one project. Yeah, and interview it's just like I answer about interview in the end, and in describing country I just describe some country that is Saudi Arabia, and for a first project that I have tell it talk okay. Okay, okay, and here mini contest. So the mini contest it's like some yeah, mini contest like just contest not big contest, it's just mini contest like normal contest, but it's in this school. Yeah, it's every school, every class. I mean, every class have a mini contest. Like 9E have this mini contest. Okay, we go to Genia project. In Genia project, I just want to tell five project to you. Okay, in Genia project, it's first I want to show to you it's that I have made it a poster hadith about the reward of evening and dawn prayers and correct sessions. Yeah, it's just like still SAMs in multimedia. It's just some design, and the purpose is just like I just okay, linear project, and this second project is Door of Honda, Door of Ahzab. It's just telling story in my YouTube about the War of Honda or Ahzab. Yeah. Okay. The third project is a mic poster. It's still same poster. It's just for yeah for the first test for that one, I have made this in Figma. For its making mind mapping package, it's about jenazah, about procedure of handling jenazah. Okay, we're gonna go to 5. It's about the project that is um, in talk about with Muya with Arabic language. Okay, we're gonna go to the last. It's some experience that I got in AN. Okay, first it's some certificate daily life. It's um like I just um test my skills in daily life. Like I learned some error coding in there, yeah, and now I can get some certificate in that. And the second certificate is certificate since that I got follow the certificate since Sumpah Pemuda. It's online, yeah. Seems like certificate daily. Here any competitions, some competitions, offline competitions that I have go to Alphidian with switch competitions. Actually, I'm not winning that. Yeah, it's just for some experience for me, and for the winner, it's no problem if I'm not win. It just comes about the experience. Okay, next it's some EDN teachings. EDN teachings. I'm with Harahanto, teach in Gria Sunna, I think in Cilengsi. Yeah, I'm teach about personal web. It's using a 00 web host. I'm teach in there. It's just any 6 students that I have teach them. Yeah. Okay, it's we can teach talk. Yeah, we can teach talk. It's like in this we can teach as a host and as a speaker. It's Fatih Azakia. Yeah, again Fatih. And in this second talk, it's just I am become a host. So it's Zaki. It's just like showing about how to make some creating applications. Okay, it's experience that I have. It's a leadership camp. So in this leadership camp, I am Rhino team. Yeah, like this, and we have Shafiq, Taifur, Abdul, Dafa, Nabil, me, and Rizky, and Rizfati, Zakiha, and Azam. Yeah, uh, I think it's 8 people in there. It's a uh, very disgusting. And there it's like very hard when I joined the leadership camp. Yeah, because in that it's just some weird things. Yeah, because it's just I just see some tree everywhere tree in there. But in there I guess I get some leadership. Yeah, get some leadership training. Okay, the last it's address. Yeah, address it's like you and your team. It must goes to 4 place. The last place it's old city. I just remember the first place and last place. I forgot and the second and third place. Okay, I think that is for my portfolio project. And sorry when I have some mistake in English words or something. Yeah, and because I'm still learning and I am with English language. And sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.